told you to do. You understand?
No,
you put that down.
You better get away from me. No.
Don't fight. Don't fight.
Stop.
You're under arrest. Get out of the car. Don't resist.
Oh my God.
Incident custodial arrest following traffic stop date, the 29th of May, 2025, location Palm Beach County, Florida. Agency Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office charge, resisting an officer without violence FL Section 843.02.
Hey, good morning. Deputy McCoy, Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office.
What?
Well, maybe if you turn the radio down, you can hear me.
What you said?
I'm Deputy McCoy, Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office, and I'm pulling you over for a couple of reasons. For one, you didn't have your seatbelt on when you passed me. Two, the license plate cover you got in the bag, you can't have that. Do you have your license, registration, insurance?
Well, I ain't have it on when I passed you. You should have stopped me then.
That's what I'm doing right now, miss. Do you have your insurance on you? Say it again.
I said you're gonna let me find it. You making me late for work.
Give me a minute. I'll be right back with your few tickets, all right? Here you go. Yeah. Hey, just stay in the vehicle for me. Stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. No, you go stay in the vehicle like I told you to. Do you understand?
No,
you put that down.
You better get away
from
me.
Stay in the vehicle.
No.
I don't care. Sit down. Sit down. You got the right one today.
I don't give a fuck.
You got the right one today. Have a
I don't
seat.
give a fuck.
Get out of the car
I can
again.
take it.
I'm going to put you in handcuffs and you go to jail. How about that?
For what? Because I'm not resisting.
Find out. Don't get out. How about? Don't fight. Don't fight.
Stop.
You're under arrest. Get out of the car. Don't resist.
Oh my God.
Turn around.
I'm trying to close my door.
Yeah, you don't hit me with the door. What's wrong
I
with you?
did not hit you with the door. Oh my God.
So silly. For a seatbelt ticket?
I'm not
you
doing
gonna go to jail
that
for
for a
that?
seatbelt ticket. I just said let me close
Don't
my
worry
door.
about it. Don't worry about it. It's all good.
I need to call my boss.
No, you don't got to call nobody.
Yes, I do.
When you get to the jail, you call them. Don't worry about it.
I opened the stove.
Well, you should have thought about that, huh?
Hey, Siri.
I'm back over here for you.
Weird. Y'all weird.
Yeah, it's crazy. You can put it on the front of my car. I got to search real quick. Relax.
No,
it doesn't work like that.
That's not how that works.
Yes, it do.
No, it doesn't.
You don't run the show. Let me get the car. Stop fighting.
I don't want you touching me.
I don't care what you want.
I don't want you touching me.
I'm going to shut you.
Listen, all I said was let me close my door.
Well, when I tell you to do something you don't do it, that becomes a problem.
Because I said I want to take the bag off.
Okay, yeah.
You don't dictate what goes on here.
I'm going to have a seat right here. All right. Turn around.
Sit on the push bumper. No, sit on the push bumper. I'm not going to ask you again. Otherwise, you're going to go in my car.
Y'all trying to take me to jail because I tried to close my door. Y'all weird.
You don't get to close the door on us. Okay? You don't dictate what goes on here. We do. It's a traffic stop. You are detained. You don't get to do whatever you want. When you get pulled over, all you have to do is give him your paperwork.
I did and he threw it at me. Right. He threw it at me.
Okay. Well, that doesn't mean you can just close your door on him while he's... No, you pulled your door closed.
And I told him while I was pulling, I'm going to close my door.
That's not how that works.
Okay, it's not that deep. He gave me a ticket. He should have stopped me way back there.
It doesn't matter where he stops you. He can pull you over in your fucking way and write you a ticket there. It doesn't matter where he pulls you over at. He can pull you over 10 miles down the road. You committed a traffic violation. There's no, area where he has to pull you over at before it's void.
Like I said, he still ain't have my shit on back there. He should have stopped me back there.
It does not
He
matter.
should have stopped me back there.
It doesn't matter.
Y'all need to tighten up. Y'all worrying about
No,
me
you need to tighten
driving.
up.
Bitch, it's people out here doing other shit. There's way more other shit out here that need to go on.
He's a motor unit. His job is to enforce traffic laws. He's doing his job.
Man, I'm gonna take anything off my
Okay, again, you don't
just stop talking to me, sir. I ain't talking to you. I'm not talking to you. I can talk to myself. I can talk to myself if I want to. I'm grown. I'm 35.
Okay. Well, if you're going to talk, I'm going to talk too.
Okay, don't talk to me. Go find, talk to him.
No, I don't want to
Like I
talk.
fucking said. Fuck. Y'all fuck up because I'm trying to take the damn thing like y'all want to arrest me.
Okay,
Y'all want to
you don't dictate what goes on here. If he asks you to take
I
it off,
don't
then you can take it
care.
off.
He didn't have to ask me shit. I could have got out and took it off if I wanted to.
Hey, Josh. I'm tired of her mouth. She going to jail, bro.
All right.
What? Well, at least stop. Listen, can you stop my car? Listen.
She want to make a simple traffic stop to all this? Go ahead. You good?
I'm not making no simple
ahead.
traffic stop. Nothing. All I said.
You good?
All I said was.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You about to get a simple drug
Can you
ticket.
stop my car?
No, your car getting towed. Towing that too.
You towing my car?
I'm towing that too.
You
quiet.
towing my car? How much
Absolutely.
is it gonna
A lot of
cost?
money. Put your foot in. There you go. Next time you listen.
Oh my God, nasty, bro. They nasty. They nasty. Oh my God. Fuck it. All for a ticket, bro. They towing my car, bro. For what? For what, bro? I don't have no money for that. I don't even have no money for that, bro. I don't even have no money for that, bro. I don't have no money for that, and it's hot in here. Can you please call my manager? Can you please call my manager? Mr. Gonzalez, can you please call my manager? Hello?
I already shut your phone off.
Well, turn it back on so you could call her so she could come open the store. Oh my God, it's so fucking nasty. Nasty for nothing, bro. Bro, nasty for nothing, bro. Nasty for nothing. Y'all being nasty to me for nothing. And then he got me in this hot ass car, bro. He fucked my money, bro. Lord, please let them let me out, Lord, so I can get to work, Jesus. Please let them let me out, God. I can't do this. I'm having a tough day, bro. Already, bro. Can't believe it, bro. They doing the most right now, bro. Bro, they fucking me, bro. They intentionally me, bro. Lord, please let them let me go. Please, Jesus, let them let me go. I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work, please. I gotta go to work. My birthday literally was a week ago. Dog. Bro. Can you please call my manager? Oh my God. He's so rude and he ignoring me and shit. I hope this black guy get out and walk over here to this car. I don't even know what people going through and they people. I don't even know half of what people going through and they people. How much is it gonna cost to get my car to the tow yard? How much is it gonna cost to get my car to the tow yard?
I honestly have no idea.
Because y'all bothering me and shit, but y'all don't even know half of what I'm going through. Like, I'm literally trying to pay my bills. Like, hang on 1 second. What the fuck? Y'all locking me up because I want to close my door. I just want to go. I just want to get the fuck, man. I just want to go to work. I just want to go to work. Can you please call my manager? Can you please call my manager?
I will try to get the phone number when I get there, but right now the property bag is sealed, so I can't even get your phone out of the bag.
I tried to tell you before you sealed it so she could get to the store. I opened the store. So I'm trying to tell y'all.
If I call the store...
Ain't nobody gonna be there. That's why I'm telling you to call her.
I'll try and get the phone number when we get there, okay?
I need to call my daughter and stuff. Yeah, I need to call my daughter though. She at home by herself. I gotta let her know I'm not coming home.
How old is your daughter?
She's 15.
Is there any miles now?
No, it's not. She's 15 years old. It's just me and my daughter and my son. What?
We'll figure that out when we get to the gym. I'll have to make some phone calls.
You don't have to call DCF. She old enough to be there by herself. It's just the point. It's just the simple fact that I'm her mom and she calls me all day. So what's the charge?
Resist without.
I wasn't even. Y'all sitting up there lying. I wasn't even resisting. Y'all, what y'all lying for? Not damn time did I resist. Damn time.
Okay, well, you hit my partner with the
I
door.
did not hit him intentionally. I said, just let me close my door since I can't get out.
You can't close it and say it as you're hitting him with the door and then expect that, oh, okay, no big deal. And
I didn't say it was no big deal. My intention was not to hit him. My intention was to close my door since he told me I couldn't take the cover off my tag. I could have took the cover off my tag.
Well, what you intended to do and what you actually did was two different things.
Well, he told me not to do it. So I went back to my car to sit down. And when I told him, well, let me close my door, he stood in the way. I mean, be serious. Y'all don't know what I got going on. I got a sick mama, a sick grandma. I got a teenage daughter, a little boy. We just moved into our place. We've been homeless for forever. Y'all messing with my money. I just bought my car a few months ago.
You know who's messing with your money?
No, y'all is, because y'all want to arrest me because I can talk. I have freedom of speech. I can say whatever I want to say.
Nobody said you can't.
You did. You said, oh, if you keep talking, I'm going to put you in the back of my car. That's what you said. Yeah, but I can
You're
talk.
already going to jail at that point.
I can talk, though.
That had nothing to do with you going to jail.
But it don't matter. That's crazy. Y'all taking me to jail for some crazy shit. For some bull. Y'all taking me to jail for bullshit. And you won't even let me call my manager. I tried to call her before y'all put my phone up. Y'all nasty. If y'all trying to meet a quota, just say that. Bitch, I don't want to be part of y'all quota.
Yeah, 33010 Congress Park Drive, apartment 113.
How you doing?
I'm not good because they arrested me for some.
I'm sorry. I'm just here for.
I know that because I told them I don't want them to touch me because they men. I know that.
I don't blame you.
Yeah, they were trying to touch me. I don't like that.
Do you have anything on you sharp or anything like that?
No, I just got this.
Oh, what was it? Oh, your AirPods. Okay, I'll grab that in a second. Turn around, away from me. I'm just gonna just double check, okay? Spread your feet apart for me. Her AirPods just dropped. You could grab them.
Yep.
Turn, face me. I'll put it back. I'm not gonna have you go and mess it up. She's good. Hold on a second.
Oh man, my hair's sticking up on my head.
We gotta
They
take
have
it off.
to take it off anyways in the jail.
Oh man, y'all gonna give me a comb?
They'd probably give it to you in jail.
We're just gonna ask us.
Yeah, they'll give it to you.
I need you to call my manager.
Okay.
You keep
Take a
saying
seat.
okay, but you're not doing that.
Okay,
Have a seat.
take a seat.
I don't have the seatbelt
We
on.
got stuff to do. Put your feet up.
Well, I hope you're not gonna leave me in this hot ass car again.
I got the AC on.
You didn't have it on the first damn time.
Okay, well, I didn't realize that I was gonna have somebody in the back of my car.
Yeah,
I turned it on when I realized it.
Yeah, when you
Okay?
saw me in there, turned it on, burning up.
Hey, look, what's your phone number
For what?
for the arrest paperwork?
What they need it for?
Because it has to go on the arrest paperwork.
Yeah, but that's not telling me why.
Because it's a requirement on the arrest paperwork. It's a required field that we have to put in.
They didn't ask me that the last time they arrested me.
Okay, well, if you don't want to put it here, that's fine. Single, married, divorced?
I'm separated.
Okay. Separated. Where do you work at?
I work at Domino's.
Domino's?
Time.
Okay, sounds good. I'll see you in a minute.
How long this finna take? Cause I gotta piss.
He said he's almost done.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay. Okay, well, I can't
And
take
I'm
you
not
in
gonna be
with
able
that.
to hold my pee that long. I need to go to the bathroom.
Well, he's almost done. All right. He said he's about to print his paperwork. He was putting the court date on
I'm
the
telling you,
paperwork,
I can't hold no pee that long. I gotta pee. I gotta pee. You need to help. You need to tell him to come on, cause I gotta piss.
Oh, speak of the devil. I think this is him.
I hope so, cause I gotta pee. Got all day. Take it too long.
Legal basis for stop. Deputy Nicole initiated the stop, citing 2 violations. 1. Seatbelt noncompliance FL Section 316. 6. 1, 4, 2. Obscured tinted license plate cover FL Section 316.605. Both constitute primary. Offense. Officers are not required to stop a vehicle immediately upon observing a violation. Delayed enforcement remains lawful anywhere within jurisdiction. No proximity or immediacy rule applies. Document demand lawful authority. Under FL Section 322.15, a driver lawfully stopped must immediately produce license registration and proof of insurance upon request. Refusal or delay does not void the stop. The officer's demand was procedurally correct. Driver, I didn't have none when I passed you. You should have stopped me then. Officer, that doesn't matter. He can pull you over 10 miles down the road. You committed a traffic violation. Order to remain in vehicle Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 106 1977. The U.S. Supreme Court held that during a lawful traffic stop, ordering a driver to remain in or exit the vehicle is a de minimis intrusion and requires no additional justification. Deputy Nicole, stay in the vehicle. You are detained. You don't get to do whatever you want. Refusal to comply with this order elevates the encounter and may independently constitute obstruction. Arrest Trigger FL, Section 843.02, Resisting Officer Without Violence. The statute prohibits obstructing, resisting, or opposing an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty without offering or doing violence. Conviction carries up to 1 year imprisonment and $1,000 fine, first-degree misdemeanor. Key disputed fact driver attempted to pull vehicle door closed while officer was in proximity. Officer characterized this as physical obstruction. Driver asserted it was unintentional. Intent element. Under Section 843.02, Florida courts require proof of knowing intentional resistance. See DGV State 661, so 2D75 flaw. 3D DCA 1995 accidental contact, insufficient for conviction. Driver, my intention was not to hit him. My intention was to close my door since he told me I couldn't take the cover off my tag. Defense viability. Absence of mens rea criminal intent is a cognizable defense to Section 843.02. First Amendment. Verbal resistance versus protected speech under City of Houston versus Hill, 482 U.S. 451, 1987. The First Amendment protects an individual's right to verbally challenge, criticize, or express displeasure toward law enforcement. Profane language directed at officers is generally protected speech. Driver, I have freedom of speech. I can say whatever I want to say. Officer, if you keep talking, I'm going to put you in the back of my car. Note, threatening arrest solely for verbal expression without a separate criminal act raises a cognizable First Amendment violation. Search incident to arrest Chimel v. California 395 U.S. 7521969. Upon lawful custodial arrest, officers may conduct a warrantless search of the arrestee's person and the area within immediate control. No additional probable cause is required. Female officer conducted full pat-down search following arrest. This search was constitutionally valid, provided the underlying arrest itself was lawful, making the validity of the Section 843.02 charge dispositive legal question. Vehicle towing, South Dakota v. Opperman, 428 U.S. 3641976. Law enforcement may lawfully impound a vehicle when the driver is placed under custodial arrest and no licensed operator is available. A subsequent inventory search of the vehicle is permissible under the Fourth Amendment. Deputy Nicole, I'm towing your car. Next time you listen, the tow itself was procedurally authorized. However, communicating it as punitive next time you listen may be relevant in a civil rights challenge under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Access to communication post-arrest. Under FL Section 901.25, a person taken into custody has the right to communicate with counsel or family within a reasonable time after booking. Sealing property before arrival at the jail does not extinguish this right, it merely defers it. Driver, I tried to tell you before you sealed it so she could get to the store. I need to call my daughter. She's 15 and at home alone. Officer, the property bag is sealed. I'll try to get the number when we get there. Analysis. No constitutional violation at this stage. Right attaches fully upon booking. Miranda rights. Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 4361966. No Miranda warning was audible on this recording prior to custodial interrogation. Officers collected booking information, phone number, employment, marital status without a recorded advisement. While booking questions fall under a recognized exception, Pennsylvania v. Mimms 496 U.S. 5821990. Any substantive questioning during transport without Miranda warnings could render those statements inadmissible. Formal charge and statutory penalty charge. Resisting an officer without violence. FL. Section 843.02. Classification. First-degree misdemeanor. Maximum penalty. 1 year county jail. Plus $1,000. Fine. Presumption. Innocent. Until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Civil liability exposure. If the underlying arrest is found unlawful, a Section 1983 claim for false arrest becomes viable. See Garzinski v. Bradshaw 573 F3, D1158, 11th, CIR, 2009. Legal analysis summary. 3 core legal questions govern this case. 1. Was the resistance door closing intentional within the meaning of FL Section 843.022? Did officer threats to arrest for verbal speech violate the First Amendment per City of Houston v. Hill? 3. Was the vehicle tow communicated as punitive rather than procedural, exposing the department to Section 1983 liability? The lawfulness of the traffic stop itself is not in dispute. The constitutional pressure points arise from events following the initial contact. Lessons learned: legal best practices for citizens during a traffic stop. Remain in the vehicle unless instructed otherwise. Pennsylvania v. Mimms applies. Produce documents immediately. FL Section 322.15. Delay does not benefit you legally. Verbal disagreement is protected under the First Amendment, but must not cross into physical obstruction. FL Section 843.02. Do not close open or move any part of the vehicle without officer permission during a stop. Even well-intentioned actions can be characterized as resistance. Upon arrest, your right to communicate attaches at booking request access to a phone at that point, not before. Any use of force or arrest you believe is unlawful, comply first. Challenge in court times. The legal remedy is litigation, not resistance.